All right, good morning, ladies and gents. Happy Thursday. In the last assignment, we were looking at scholarships and grants. As you know, grants are the best way to finance your college tuition because grants are free. You don't have to pay them back, no strings attached. The second is scholarships. Scholarships are great. It is free money, but generally there's some strings attached. You have to keep a certain GPA or meet some other requirement. So we've searched around, we found all the grants and scholarships we can, but now I look and it's still not enough to cover all of my tuition. What's my next step? Maybe I've got some savings that I can use, but more than likely, I'm going to need to start looking at student loans. So that's what you guys are going to be doing today. We're going to start off just with an infographic so you can just kind of wrap your head around this. This is college debt, ladies and gents, over time, and this is the percent of students that end up with debt, and this is the amount of debt that they have accumulated. I graduated in '94, and average debt looks like it was about 15,000, and about 30+% people had debt. I am proud to say I graduated debt-free, and I'm hoping you guys will do the same. So you're going to use this chart here to analyze student debt over time from 1993 to 2015. And hopefully this will give you guys some insights into how expensive college can be. If you've worked really hard and got a GPA of 4.4 and you want to head off to a UC, awesome. More than likely, if you've got those kind of grades, you're going to have some grants and scholarships that are going to go with it that are going to help you to pay for that. If you're an average student like me, I started off at Orange Coast College. Right now, it's community colleges, I think, are free for the first year, then $500 a semester after that, whereas your UCs and your CSUs are considerably more expensive. So if you do your first 2 years at a community college and then you transfer to a whatever school, UC, CSU, private school, you're only going to have to pay that tuition for 2 more years if you graduate in 4. So it's definitely a much cheaper way to go. You've heard me talk about living on campus. It's a luxury, I think. If your focus is to get your degree the cheapest way possible, then you're going to want to live at home with mom and dad while you're going through this. It gets a lot more expensive once you start throwing room and board in there. So I want you guys to go ahead and work through this, see how much student debt people accumulate over time, and then we will start looking at student loans a little bit deeper. All right, ladies and gents, good luck.